Today we are going to discuss some of the programs. In our previous class, we have discussed how to accept three numbers and displayed the sum of first and second number and multiplication of second and third number. So in this class, we will try to find out the answer for two more examples. That is, we want to find out area of a circle as well as area of a triangle. So let me start with area of a circle. So the question is like this: write a program to display the area of a circle. So now we know that whenever we want to find out the area of a circle, the unknown thing here is the radius. So that's why we will always ask the user the value which is unknown to us. Always we are going to ask the user the value which is unknown to us. So that's why we will provide the answer as expected output. So this is our expected output first. Now we will provide enter the radius of the circle. So by looking this, the user has to provide a value, for example 2. Then we will provide a message: area of the circle is. So we know that the value of the area of circle is pi r square, and the value of pi is, for our purpose we are using 3.14. So r square is 2 here we have taken, so that's why 2 square, and this becomes 12.56. So area of the circle is 12.56. Now how to provide the answer? Let me write the program. So here I have to write the program. So for radius I just want to take as r. Then we have to provide the message as float. The reason is the radius is of float type. Then here we will provide input, enter the radius of the circle. Right. Then we will try to calculate the value as 3.14 into r, because here we don't have the facility to make, so this is not there. Only we have to use the bracket. There is no need to go for this. Right. So simply we have to provide the bracket, and now we have to print as area of the circle is comma a. Now here you can ask me a question that why I have used the float value. The reason is the radius may be the float type, that is 2.5, 2.7 like that. So whenever I have given 2, so it indirectly indicates that it is 2.0. So that's why it can be a float value. So every integer value is a float value, but every float value is not an integer value. So that's why let me write the program ideally. So I have to choose a file, new file. Then I want to provide as I have written r equal to float input enter the radius of the circle, then a equal to 3.14 into r into r. Then we will go by print area of the circle is comma a. Now let me save the file as file savage. So let me save the file under D drive. Within a folder, let me create the folder as again one Python prog, and under that I just want to save the file as circle. Now save. Let me run the program F5. So this is 2 and we are getting 12.56. So as we are expecting, we are getting the same answer. Now let us come to the next program, that is write a program to calculate the area of a triangle. Write a program to calculate the area of a triangle. So now here we have to use the formula, that is half base into height. We don't want to go for other formulas. So here we have to choose half into base into height. So the unknown things are, one is your base, second one is your height. So that's why from the user we will ask to provide the values. So this is expected output. So first we will provide enter the base of the triangle. So now it is your choice whether you want to take integer value or float value. I just want to take right now as integer value, that is 2. And then after getting the value of base, I will provide the message enter the height of the triangle. That is, here I want to get 4. Then we will get a message as area of the triangle is, so half 2 into 4 is 4. So since we are going to take area of a triangle is your float type variable, so let us check whether it will provide 4 or 4.0. So now let me write the program first, then we will jump to our editor. This is our program. So here I just want to take as b, that is int. As I said, I want to take integer value, so input enter the base of the triangle. Now I just want to take height as h, so int input enter the height of the triangle. So now we are getting height and base. So now it's the time to calculate the area of a triangle. So a equal to 1/2 into the base b into h. So now we will provide, or we will print the value as print area of triangle is, that is a. So now in order to go for this, let us write the program. So since this program is available, I just want to create a new one and I want to close the previous one. So now here b equal to int, you can take float also, enter the base of the triangle. Now h equal to int input, enter the height of the triangle. Now a equal to 1 by 2 into b into h. Now print area of the triangle is a. Now let me save the program on the same location, that is circle. I want to make this one as triangle. So now save, run the program. So enter the base of the triangle 2, enter the height of the triangle 4. So we are getting 4.0 because 1 by 2 always provide you the answer as float value. So now test for the other values, whatever you want to consider. So now in our next class we will go for some other examples, and this much for today. Thank you.